And for a bit of light relief, there's this really good exterior chapter. Again, this is completely new. It's exterior architectural lighting, by which we mean pretty lighting within reason, which can be things like lighting sculptures and parks and park gates and whatever you want to light. But it's also the beautiful lighting, lighting things that are facades, media facades as well, facades with messages or pretty lights that flow around buildings, images, projected images. Thinking back to the slides that Jim showed earlier of the Oxford lighting from a couple of years ago, a lot of this sort of pretty projected image-based lighting is done. Lighting integrated into the architecture, quite a lot of this is done, some very well, sometimes a little odd, often by control systems not quite working as intended. So getting these sorts of things to work well means doing the lighting design well in terms of how they're integrated in, how they're fixed, how the cabling runs, but also how the controls operate. And a bit of the, making sure the client understands that perhaps different people have ownership of different parts of a building. Perhaps the classic one is Regent Street in London, where most of Regent Street has been lit coherently, building to building to building, same architectural style of lighting all the way down, most of the way down. All these buildings are owned, nearly all of them, or leased by different people. Crown Estates own a lot of it, but you need to have negotiations and discussion. You need to have a demonstration to show all the owners and all the people who have an interest what's going on and sell it to a lot of people. So quite an involved but very worthwhile area.